Hi, my name is Emerson, and today I'm going to teach you how to germinate seeds.
And it's me, Kirsten.
All you'll need is a cup of water, some napkins, seeds of course, and a plastic baggie. So the first thing you want to do is you take your napkin and you get your water and you pour it onto a flat surface. Now the reason we're doing this is we want the paper towel to soak up the water so the paper towel can stay damp, therefore providing moisture for the seeds so they can grow. And they'll be easier to work with when you're ready to plant them. See, Carson?
Yes.
Just put it. Don't be afraid to get messy. I mean, gardening is a hands-on job after all. Then you're going to get your other paper towel, pour some more water, and then just let it soak in. Now, I normally like to use napkins, but if you like to use any other thing, it'd be fine. Just make sure that it can hold moisture, but don't use a towel though, because those aren't good. And then just get these for supports. And there you go. We're done with the base. Next, you're going to put in however many seeds you want. Now make sure you don't put them in the corners, because if you do, it's not going to be very even. So you put in however many seeds you want. I'm just going to do one for now. And then you're going to want to fold in the corners so it'll fit into the plastic bag. Make it all nice. I mean, this is our bean's final resting place before it goes into the ground. We need it to be like nice. And then we put it like this, and then press the corners down. You could add a little bit more water if you'd like. And then, there we go. It should look something like this. Next, we'll put it into our plastic bag. And then you're going to let it sit on the window for like at least 11 days. But don't fret. The longer you leave it by itself, the more it'll be ready to work with. Make sure you set your calendars. And that's how you germinate seeds. Bye-bye.
Bye.